the event, we're going to Hillel Place. So basically, it's Hillel Place and Campus Road. It's on Flatbush Avenue between Campus and Flatbush on that short strip. But yeah, this is it. This is actually how we load in, like pack and load in every time we go to an event. It's a tedious experience. Takes a lot of effort. So we just had to actually show the details. But this is a labor of love. This is definitely a labor of love. All right, we're driving down Flatbush right now. Oops. We love supporting community. We love empowering community and people making sure that they are educated about skincare, healthy skincare that alleviates and soothes their skin. So, yep, this is where we are again, under the umbrella installation, and we love it. Initially we saw tents coming up until ours. We were holding ours like this. And at that time, I think my son was like, probably 17 months. Or even younger.
Good thing you didn't take him with it, huh?
He was there. I always just coming with even today. So, a trick if you don't have round containers, you can actually use oatmeal. You can get an oatmeal container, empty the oatmeal, it comes in a cylindrical container, and then this is basically your mold. But in order to get this honeycomb type of film, I put bubble wrap inside the container, and then I pour the batter.
I have a business improvement district here, and I am part of the initial group that started the business improvement district, so I am fully aware of this location. And I thought it would be nice to have our vendors like yourself. It looks so natural, and all you do is all natural.
What?
Yes.
Yeah, and we exchange
From day one, and I'm still on that mailing list.
Yes. So I do a lot of events, either small corporate events as well, and I also have a couple pop-ups at the store.
Culminate on August 6th, and I'm going to find out a way to incorporate you some way, somehow. I'll let you know.
Sorry.
My name is Victoria Stennett, and I'm a licensed real estate broker in this community since 1992.